Future continuous tense. The future continuous is used to say that something will be in progress and happening at a certain time in the future. Let's take a look at some examples. I will be living in New York this time next year. She won't be performing on TV tonight. She is sick. Usain Bolt isn't going to be running any more sprint events. He's retired. He isn't going to be studying at home tonight. My brother isn't available. Next month, he is going to be visiting Africa. She won't be going out on another date with him. We will be sitting on the beach, getting sun next week. I won't be sitting at my desk, bored to death. He's going to be feeling sore tomorrow when he wakes up. They are going to be playing in next year's Champions League. The future of this planet is getting worse, the more we ignore caring for the environment. What are you going to be doing 5 years from now, 20 years from now? The end.